हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम बात करेंगे न्यू एजुकेशनल पॉलिसी के बारे में। ये जो न्यू एजुकेशनल पॉलिसी आई है, इसमें 27 मेजर हेडिंग्स हैं। एजुकेशनल पॉलिसी में पहली बार इतना बड़ा बदलाव देखा गया है। अब हम एक एक करके इनके बारे में जानेंगे। अगर आप चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन के घंटे को भी प्रेस कर दीजिए, तो आप ये रिपोर्ट देख सकते हैं। नई शिक्षा नीति में 10+2 के फॉर्मेट को पूरी तरह ख़त्म कर दिया गया है। अब इसमें 10+2 से बांटकर 5+3+3+4 फॉर्मेट में डाला गया है। इसका मतलब है कि अब स्कूल के पहले 5 साल में प्री प्राइमरी स्कूल के 3 साल और कक्षा 1 और कक्षा 2 सहित फाउंडेशन स्टेज शामिल होंगे। फिर अगले 3 सालों में कक्षा 3 से 5 की तैयारी के चरण में विभाजित किया जाएगा। इसके बाद में 3 साल मध्य चरण कक्षा 6 से 8 और माध्यमिक अवस्था के 4 वर्ष कक्षा 9 से 12। इनके अलावा स्कूलों में कला, विज्ञान स्ट्रीम, आर्ट स्ट्रीम का कोई कठोर पालन नहीं होगा। छात्र अब जो भी पाठ्यक्रम चाहें वो ले सकते हैं। नई शिक्षा नीति के कुछ खास बदलाव। शिक्षकों के साथ साथ अभिभावकों को भी जागरूक करने का जोर। प्रत्येक छात्र की क्षमताओं को बढ़ावा देना प्राथमिकता होगी। वैचारिक समझ पर जोर होगा। रचनात्मकता और महत्वपूर्ण सोच को बढ़ावा मिलेगा। टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ किया जाएगा। यूज़ ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी विल बी देयर। एजुकेशनल प्लानिंग, टीचिंग, लर्निंग एंड असेसमेंट, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड मैनेजमेंट, increasing access for disadvantaged group, e-content, virtual labs will be there, National Educational Technology Form, NETF. Then schools will be digitally equipped for both students and teachers. There will be a dedicated unit for digital and online learning, a dedicated unit for the purpose of enrichment of the students. Digital content and capacity building will be created in the MHRD to look after the e-education needs of both school and higher education. Online education will be given more preference. SC, ST, OBC अन्य छात्राओं को स्कॉलरशिप दी जाएगी. Efforts will be made for the merit of the students belonging to SC, ST, OBC and other categories. The National Scholarship Portal will be expanded to support and track the progress of students receiving scholarships. Various provisions for children with disabilities. Children with disabilities will be enabled to fully participate in the regular school process from the foundational stage to higher education with support of educators with cross disability training resource centers. Then educational sector will be given 6% of GDP. Earlier it was 1.7%. Now more money will be invested in the education department. 3 languages will be learned by the students of their choice. Student can choose any language, regional language of their choice. Local or regional language will be the medium of instruction. Wherever possible, the medium of instruction until at least grade 5. 5वीं कक्षा तक regional language पर जोर दिया जाएगा. Then after 8th class, home language or mother tongue language. In all the stages, learning will be more practical oriented. Experimental learning will include hands-on learning, arts integrated, sports integrated education, storytelling based. Content will focus on idea, application, problem solving. The mandated content will focus on key concepts, ideas, applications and problem solving. Teaching and learning will be conducted in a more interactive manner. In this way, the student will develop more interest, will be more active. Other changes in the new educational policy. Curriculum content will be reduced. More space for critical thinking. More holistic, inquiry-based, discovery-based, discussion-based and analysis-based learning will be there. Open schools NIOS to offer courses for grades 3, 5, 8. NIOS and state open schools will offer A, B and C levels that are equivalent to grade 3, 5 and 8 of the formal school system. Secondary education programs that are equivalent to grade 10th and 12th. Vocational education courses or programs will be there. Students can opt for any course of their interest and choice, and adult literacy, sex education, and life enrichment programs will also be there. Next update is related to the board examination. Now, the board examination will not be given much importance. The importance of board examination to be reduced. Exam can be conducted twice a year in order to reduce the importance and stress of board examination. Exam will be conducted in two parts. Descriptive के अलावा objective paper भी होगा. Exam can be conducted twice a year. Board exam should promote knowledge application rather than rote learning. Major reforms taken in school education. Board examination will be at low stakes and test actual knowledge instead of rote learning. Mother tongue to be the medium of instruction till 5th grade. Report cards will be more comprehensive based on skills and capabilities instead of just marks and statements. National mission to focus on basic literacy and basic numeracy. All separations between vocational and academic and curricular and extracurricular activities will be removed. NTA to offer common entrance examination for admission to higher education programs. National professional standards for teachers. Book promotion policy and digital libraries will be there. Vocational integration from class 6 onwards. दोस्तों आपकी इस पर क्या राय है कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखकर ज़रूर बताइएगा. वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें.